Hey everyone, this is Peter with 10 Stories and we're back again with another pro tip. Today we're going to show you how to take your 60 frames per second footage and properly slow it down to match the frame rate of your timeline using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a simpler and more precise way to slow down footage while reducing the risk of duplicated frames. With this tip, we'll assume you already understand the basics of Premiere and its user interface. Take a look at our project layout here in Premiere Pro. First, we have our folders organized in the bottom left project window. Here we have footage at 60 frames per second and a timeline set to 29.97 frames per second, since this is what our final export requires. Now we will bring the footage into the timeline and play the video at its native frame rate of 60 frames per second. To slow it down and match the target frame rate, right-click on your media and go to Modify, then Interpret Footage. A dialog box will appear. Under the frame rate category, select the box Assume this frame rate and type in your timeline's frames per second. In our case, it's 29.97 frames per second. Finally, click OK. Play back your footage in the timeline and take note of the speed change. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to 10 Stories, and stay tuned for the next installment of Pro Tips. This is Peter with 10 Stories, and we'll see you in the next one.